A very good day, my dear student. Today we learn about chapter 2, that is Windows 10 control panel. Let us see. So what is control panel? Okay, so control panel options available in different versions of Windows operating system, isn't it? Windows 10 feature control panel and setting tabs. It is the most recent version of operating system. Okay, so here you can find, you could be able to customize your thing, you could be able to edit your parts, okay, such that your data, your system could look elaborated form, and it could look in a very customizable form. Okay, so when you are using the control panel now, you will find that how you could be able to find the Windows setting by using the here setting apps is available, the classic viewer control panel is available. Let me show you by one. Okay, let us see. So from where you will find the control panel, you will find from the start. We will move one by one. Like here you can see the setting app is available. Just click on the setting. Okay, when you will click on the setting, the new page will be appeared. Okay, see, this page will be appeared. Okay, from here you could be able to set the system, devices, phone, okay, network and internet, personalization, app, and all this feature you could be able to set. What is the setting app? It is a recent replacement of the old control panel, although the features are same. Setting app is more user friendly. It was created so that it is easy to use with the mouse and keyboard. Okay, so you could be able to set the setting app. So there are many methods to access the setting app. Like first method I have shown, from here you could be able to set, use the Cortana. This is what your Cortana. Okay, talk to Cortana and you can be able to set your setting. Use Action Center to open the center setting. Okay, so these are the feature which is available to set the setting, but more frequently we use this setting button to set our windows. Okay, so there are various features of setting up. There is a below list under which the setting menu could be set, like system is there, devices, network and internet, personalization, apps, okay, accounts, time and languages. Many features are available. One by one we'll see. Like system tab, when you click on the system, when you will click on the system, just double click on the system. Okay, you will find that all the system feature is available, like display, okay, sound feature, it is available. You could be able to set the sound, notification, action. Okay, you can set all the features by using the setting, means in the system. Okay, next is network and internet tab. Just go back and click on the network and internet. From here you could be able to set the connection. Okay, now I am not connected through the internet, so it is showing the not connected. If I'll connect it, then it will show me the internet connection. From here I'll set the Wi-Fi. If you don't want the Wi-Fi should be connected automatically, you can just click on off. Okay, aeroplane mode is available. Aeroplane mode means what? Nothing, Wi-Fi, nothing will be connected. You can just set it. Mobile hotspot is also available. This all features are available. Okay, in what? In your network and internet tab. Next is personalization tab is also available. Just click on the personalization tab. Under that you could be able to set your wallpaper or anything else. Okay, like see here I am choosing, if you want to choose your own pictures, and then click on the browse tab. Okay, when you will click on the browse tab, the window will be open. Okay, when the window will be open, you need to select the from where the location, you need to select which location you want. Okay, like desktop I want, so I need to click on the desktop, and then yeah, I have to set. Okay, just need to choose the picture and just click on choose picture, then the automatically the your background will be set. Okay, choose a fit type, that how the fit type should be, like stretches type, title, center, span. These are the fit type is available. Okay, you can set it. Now next one is your time and language. From here the colors, background, everything could be set. Okay, lock screen feature is also available, that lock screen which background should be available. So this is a on. Okay, show lock screen background is available. By this you could be able to set that. Even here, choose which app show quick status on the lock screen. In the lock screen also some status are available, so from here you could be able to add. Just click on plus and you can add your own features. So then okay, so by this you could be able to set your lock screen. Next is time and languages time and languages, just click on the time and languages button. From here you could be able to set the time and language. Okay, date and time, you can set the date and time. By this you could be able to set the date and time. I have set time automatically, so it will be set. Just click on the time zone and you can set the time zone also. Okay, by this you could be able to set the time and language. Next is region and language. From here click on region, and I have set the recommended English set, English state. You can set your own language. Okay, by this you could be able to set your region. Okay, next is your speech. From here speech you could set that which speech you want. Like I have said, the English only should be used. Okay, my Cortana should understand only English, so I have said only English. If you want Hindi or anything else, you can set accordingly. Okay, next is your, this is available in which tab? In time and languages. Next is app and feature. So click on the app, and from here you will find the app part. See, this all are the app available in my system. Okay, if you want that your app is not working properly, okay, so what you will do, like see, if you want that Adobe Reader I want to uninstall, then just click on uninstall, or if it is not working properly, just click on modify, and the steps to be follow up, and you could be able to set your Adobe Reader in a very good manner. Okay, by this you could be able to customize or set your apps and everything. Okay, next is your privacy part. So from privacy you can set your it gives the access to most of the device basic privacy settings, such as location settings, sending the diagnostic information. This all diagnostic and feedback is available. By this you could be able to set your diagnostic and general part, such that the privacy option should be available. Okay, so this is what your chapter, and I have made you understand through the practical, such that you could know that how it works. You should not know only the theory part you can only just read and understand that what it is, but through this part you could be able to know that how to work in Windows. Okay, so thank you students.